Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to go through and make a free business email address. Alright guys, so to make this email address, what you guys want to do is make sure that you guys went ahead and purchase the domain from namecheap.com. So that is going to be important. So now if you guys go through and purchase a domain from Namecheap, that is going to allow you to go through and make a free business email address. So guys, now this is an example of a domain that I purchased a while back. So I'll be using this domain to show you guys how to set up the free business email address. Alrighty guys, so what you guys want to do is just go through and log into your Namecheap account. So I just be sure to go ahead and do that. And now what you guys want to do is just go through and click on dashboard. So I just be sure to go to the left-hand side and from there just click on dashboard. Now to get to this page guys, just go into your account section and then click on dashboard. So now once you guys are inside the dashboard section, what you guys want to do is just go down and find your domain. Once you guys find your domain, go ahead and click on manage. So now once you guys go through and click on manage, that's going to allow you to go through and make a free business email address. So I've gone ahead and clicked on manage, and now I'll just go through and scroll down. So I'll scroll down to where it says redirect email. So guys, I'm just be sure to go to this section here. So just go through and find redirect email. And then from there, guys, this is where you'll be going through and making the free business email address. So guys, an example of a business email address is support@petbrush.com or support@ecomoria.com. To make an email like this, what you guys want to do is just go through and find where it says redirect email. And then from there, guys, just go through and click on add forwarder. So now once you click on add forwarder, it's going to take you to this page. So what you guys want to do under the alias section, you want to go ahead and type in support. So I'll go through and type in support. And then under the forward to section, what you guys are going to do is just go through and type in the full email address of your store. So in this case, guys, for the store, the email address was petsroller@gmail.com. So I'll just go through and type in the full Gmail address. So under forward to guys, I'll just go through and type petsroller@gmail.com. Now guys, as soon as this is done, you want to go through and click on the check mark. So just go ahead and click on that. And that is all you have to do, guys. So that is how you go through and make a free business email address. So now once the customer goes ahead and contacts you, you can go ahead and use the email address support@petsroller.com. So pretty much what's going to happen is they'll take the support word here. And so whatever your domain name is, for example, in this case, my domain name was petsroller.com. They'll go ahead and use the domain name as a forwarding email. So for example, in this case, it's going to be support and then my domain name, which is petsroller.com. So it's going to be support@petsroller.com. And so for anyone who goes through and sends an email to support@petsroller.com, it's going to go ahead and send an email to petsroller@gmail.com. So guys, just as an example, if I go through and like I'm a customer and I want to go ahead and contact the store, then they'll go ahead and contact support@petsroller.com, and then that will go ahead and send you an email to your Gmail account, which is petsroller@gmail.com. So the whole point of making this email, guys, is just to make the email that customers contact look more professional. So again, guys, I'm just going to take the first word that you type under alias, which is support, and then the domain name. So it's going to be support@petsroller.com. So guys, if I go back into dashboard, you can see that my domain name was petsroller.com. There it is. So now it's going to be support@petsroller.com. So I've just gone ahead and set that up. And guys, so if customers want to go through and contact me now, all they have to do is just go through and send an email to support@petsroller.com. Now with Namecheap, guys, you can go ahead and set this up for free. So just be sure to go through and purchase your domain name from namecheap.com. Now that is like another reason why I go through and use Namecheap. Yeah, guys, so that's pretty much all you have to do just to make a business email address. Alrighty guys, so that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care guys.